Hey all, welcome back to Messing with Mopars. So it's Sunday. We're gonna do a little kitty hair installation. So these panels, this one here, this is for the 66, and they're the finished panel on the top of the quarter window sill, and then the door card or the side card comes up underneath it, and there's a chrome piece that locks in. I'll show you that when we're installing these things. So these things come from wherever you get them. I can't remember where I got these from, probably OER or something like that, and they're not straight. Oh, I went way in the fuck up there. There we go. There. So what I'm going to do is I've got a straight edge. I'm going to just set this on top of it. Let's see if we can do this. Alright, so I'm just going to set it on top like this. I'm going to line it up. I'm just going to bend it out a little bit. Bend it out a little bit. Right, because you want these things to be straight when they go in. It's pretty good to there. Oops. It starts to dive off over here. Okay, so that's pretty good. I did a little messing around with it before. So then, this goes on like this. And then we'll line it up a little bit with the top of top as well, right? Just so that this chrome edge and where it breaks lines up as well. So what I have some 1/8 black rivets. And what we're going to do, oh, I didn't bring my other tool. So I'm just going to take my little vice grips here and gently put it on there like that. I'm going to have a look at my fitment. I kind of like that there. Take our drill. Now these things are normally from the factory are stapled on, and I can't seem to keep my drill bit. And I don't go very fast. It does pull a little bit of hair out as you go. That's why I'm going way down below. There we go. There's one drill. And then we'll take our little rivet gun. Nothing fancy. Push it in all the way in. There we go. And we'll go pushing it down. There. There's one. And then you can look inside here. I don't know if you guys can see that very well, but it's mushroomed over pretty good, and it's holding in there fairly well. So then I'll just come over a couple more inches. I'll line it up where I want it. I'll take the drill and we'll go again. Clean some of the shrapnel out of there. We'll load in our single shot black powder. There we go. Voila. Okay. A couple more inches. And the reason I'm putting the vice grips on there is because when you push the rivet in, if you don't get it in all the way, then it'll separate. It might, the kitty hair and the metal might separate, and then you get a little bump in there, and then when you go to put it in, it doesn't fit in there properly, and it kind of looks like ass. So, anyhow, I'm gonna move this over just a little bit. Loosen that off just, no, right there. Okay. Cool. You want a nice tight fit on there because that's you see that chrome piece on the top of the kitty hair through the windshield or through the window, right? And I'll just keep doing this over and over again. I can't find where I drilled the hole. There it is. Okay. Voila. See? And it has a nice fit on there. It looks good. I like it. And so that's how I do that. I don't know if that's the right way, but that's how I do it. Don't know another way to do that, mostly because I don't have a stapler that's going to do this. I mean, I do have a stapler, but not one that I would want to hold there and then shoot through the metal and hope for the best, right? My luck, the staple will come out the top side of this frickin' thing and then it'd look like ass. So, guy told me that this is what he would do. Man, he's a body man, so why wouldn't I try it? I did it on the Super Beat first, you know, because that's what you should do. Try it on something first. So I did it on. I had to replace these on the rear windows on the Super Beat, so I did that, and they seem to work pretty well. So I'll get these two done, and then we'll do some, and then I'll do some filming on installing them when I have them all complete. You know, take me half hour, something like that to do them all. I don't think you guys want to see a time lapse of that. You just sort of need to see how it goes together, right? And then I'll explain how the other hairs were installed. Everything's installed on this car and on the Super Bee, so I can't really do a complete installation of all these. This is probably the hardest one because you need specialty tools for it. The other ones are pretty simple. They have just clips that clip into the slots in the doors and the window frames, right? So there you go. That's what I got. Thanks for coming along for the ride. Have a great afternoon, and I will talk to you all soon. Oh yeah, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, share, leave a comment. I appreciate all the comments I get. Everybody's pretty positive. I enjoy that. I'll do a little walk around later this afternoon on the 66, just because I had a request for that. So that's what we're gonna do. All right, see you later.